All the parameters we analyze very regularly, the high frequency indicators that we have, and whether one looks at agriculture with good reservoir levels, and I've made detailed assessments even in my MPC statement. You can go through them as to what are the reasons. Actually they are all given over there. So in interest of time, I am just shortly, very briefly indicating them. So whether it is in terms of agriculture, whether it is in terms of consumption. Now you also recently had the Nielsen survey, the consumption numbers over there at 7% plus, augur very well, and this is the kind or the range of projections that we too have for personal consumption. And similarly, the manufacturing activity, is also kind of picking up. The PMI levels that we got were very comfortable over there. So all this gives us the optimism that we will have what the numbers we have projected. I also mentioned in my statement that we will continue to improve, our macroeconomic models, our nowcasts and forecasts, so as to be able to give as precise a number as possible. Please bear in mind that these are just forecasts. Every day situations change, and as people say, as your facts change, your opinions also change. So those it's subject to that.